Although most of us would probably deny being biased, but in reality, every single time we see a scientist as a man, our brain records that. Or every time we see scientific items associated with men, our brain records that. It's the idea that physics is a masculine thing to do. Our brain records all of this. These conceptions do not evolve over a short period of time. In fact, it takes hundreds of years of biases to form the stereotype that women are either not competent enough to perform science, or science and technology are not fields a woman should be interested in. Barbertech in her article Science, Sex, and Stereotypical Images in Scientific Advertising highlights the way pictures in the magazine Science show women assembling or testing technological devices. While there are hundreds of photographs of white-coated male researchers making or using scientific instruments. Instead, women are shown passively admiring these instruments. Thus, these photographs sent the message that females are dominated by rather than in charge of technology. Furthermore, women are shown with technological devices that make their lives easier as housewives. The words easy or simple are replaced by fast or reliable when showing men with similar technology. Thus, our brains make the connection that men have the ability to tackle challenging problems in science, whereas women need the help of technology that makes their job easier. In this manner, the stereotype that women are incompetent in the field of science has become ingrained into our subconscious. Although many people state that this issue is no longer relevant, as images like these only appeared in the 1900s, but in reality, a study done in November 2012 found that men are about 4.5 times more likely than women to be portrayed as working in careers related to science, technology, engineering, and math. Stereotypes of women are now based around the idea of what type of science a woman should be interested in, and furthermore, what she should look like to be competent enough to perform that science. Campaigns are being launched to attract more women in the field of science. However, these campaigns still portray women in a stereotypical way. Science, It's a Girl Thing is an initiative by the European Union which aims to encourage more young women to study science. Although this sounds like a great idea, but in reality, this video disappointingly consists of a parade of stereotypes of what girls are and what they like. It really doesn't seem to connect with the mission of getting girls interested in science. Instead, it connects girls to fashion, high heels, and makeup. Young women strutting around a neon-colored lab, wearing heels and mini dresses, gasping as they examine atomic models and blowing kisses at test tubes, is not a source of encouragement for young women to enter science. Instead, for any person, male or female, to study a subject, the driving force behind it has to be because he or she is passionate and curious about it.